BFM, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video, and today we're going to have some fun on my Steelmadeusa griddle. We're going to do sirloin tips, potatoes, little mushrooms. Oh, it's going to be great, guys. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with sirloin tips and potatoes. So the supporting gas is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So for my main protein, of course, is my sirloin steak, and I got them cut up into bite-sized cubes about this size. Then I got some potatoes back here. I'm using these yellow golden Yukon Golds, the little round potatoes about that big. Some of them are a little bit bigger. Got some mushrooms. I got an onion cut up, some compound butter. I shouldn't say compound butter. This is garlic butter. Butter melted with garlic in it. Salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to throw in a stick of rosemary there and some garlic powder. Very simple ingredients, all on the flat top. It's going to be great, guys. Alright, so let's get started with it. Over here on this part of my Steelmade griddle, let me back up a little bit. If you guys don't know, this is my Steelmadeusa griddle made right here in the United States, in Kansas. It basically just turns your stovetop into a flat top griddle in a matter of seconds. I love it. I've had it for a couple years now. And if you want one, it's very simple. All you gotta do is click on the first link in my description. Go to the website, purchase what you want. When you get ready to check out, you use the code number 5, Big Tone at checkout. And it gives you 10% off. Tell them Big Tone sent you. Simple as that. Very simple, very easy. But I love this thing. They got some different models for different stoves. Mine's electric. They got gas ones. They got the glass top ones. So they got anything you want. But let's get started with the food here. Enough talking. So over here, garlic butter on the flat top, melting down here. And we're gonna start our potatoes because they're gonna take the longest. We're gonna put the potatoes over on this side, totally, in that butter. Ah, yeah. So essentially we're just gonna let those sit for a minute. Potatoes are looking nice. You can see they're starting to get some color on them. So now I've turned them over. I'm gonna go ahead and salt and pepper these up. Hit it with a nice healthy dose of salt. Peak Himalayan, you know how I get down. Nice bunch of pepper here. And we're gonna let these continue to cook. They are gonna take the longest, so you gotta be patient with it. Don't rush your potatoes. The potatoes are looking nice. I got some butter here on this side. I'm gonna put my onion back here. Start getting this nice and caramelized. Turn that heat down just a little bit back there. Let that onion do its thing. Potatoes are cooking up nice. Onion coming out nice. And this is what I like about the Steelmade. I got my onions on a high heat, but I'm going to move those over just a little bit. And I'm just going to let them cook here and stew and get that butter in them. It's not as hot as it is over here, but it's got a nice temperature to it. So it's time for the protein. Potatoes are almost done. And I got some butter on here. And we're going to throw on our meats, our sirloin. Alright, so in the midst of that sirloin there, we're going to throw in a couple pieces of rosemary there. we're gonna season this steak up. Pink Himalayan sea salt, black pepper. You know I love my black pepper. And we're gonna hit it with a little bit of garlic powder. Even though we got garlic in the butter, need a little bit of garlic powder there. Alright, we're gonna let the steak do its thing. We're gonna let it cook for a couple minutes. Then we're gonna flip them over. Get that rosemary down in there for some flavor. And what I'm gonna do with the mushrooms, I'm gonna put those right here on the center. Mushrooms are gonna go right here. I'm gonna move the potatoes back a little bit. Get those all cooking up back there. Get these mushrooms over here a little bit. Get them to cooking. I'm gonna season these up a little bit too. A little salt and a little pepper. Nothing too crazy. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of butter in these mushrooms here. Oh yeah, they're coming along nice. Alright, so we're gonna take these mushrooms, flip them over a little bit. Oh yeah, they looking nice. They looking real nice. Alright, we're gonna take our steak, flip our steak. I don't want to overcook this steak. We're gonna cook this steak down. Oh, we're lovely. We're lovely. As the young kids say, we're Gucci. I don't even know if they say that anymore. Hit this steak with a little bit more salt and pepper. Look at these steak mushrooms and onions here. Woo, not overcooked. Perfect. Potatoes just right. I'm gonna plate this up for you guys. There you go. Sirloin tips, some potatoes and a little bit of corn on the side, some mushrooms and onions. Can't tell me you can't do that at home. Perfect, guys. Hey, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Homemade sirloin tips, some potatoes, and some mushrooms. You know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Let me get a little of these roasted potatoes.
Got him!
Oh Lord. Hey guys, you gotta try this at home. You have to. And if you want the Steelmadeusa griddle, just click on the link in my description. When you get to the checkout, just enter the number 5, Big Tone, and give you 10% off. Tell them Big Tone sent you. But hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.